भगवते वासुदेवाय वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलं. The greatest pleasure in this meeting is that the Bhaktivinoda Thakur's aspiration that the Europeans, Americans and Indians all together dance jubilantly and chanting Gaur Hari. So this temple, Mayapur Chandrodaya temple, is meant for Transcendental United Nations. But the United Nations has failed. That will be achieved here by the process recommended by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Prithivite ache yato nagoradi gram sarvatra prachar haiva molla. So, you have come from all parts of the world and living together in this temple. So, train these small boys. I am very glad especially to see that the small children from all other countries and Indian, Bengalis, all together forgetting their bodily consciousness. That is the greatest achievement in this movement, that everyone forgets the bodily conception of life. Nobody thinks here as European, American, Indian, Hindu, Muslim, Christian. They forget all these designations and simply they are ecstatic in chanting Hare Krishna mantra. So, kindly, what you have begun, do not break it, continue it very jubilantly, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the master of Mayapur, he will be very much pleased upon you, and ultimately you will go back to home, back to Godhead. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,